Soda can in the fire.
Hey, Mom.
Lizard.
Hey, Derek, beware of pin and pit.
This one's smelling.
Mine don't have a tail.
Where'd you come from?
Railroad ties by the house. That's where they're living.
What?
That's awesome.
What are they?
Those are lizards.
Oh.
No. You think you smell me?
Hey, Rocky. Hey, who's that?
How come you call them all Rocky, Blake?
Let's see, like Rock.
Oh.
He might be the same guy.
That one does look wicked, though.
I know. It's crazy.
That's the skin. That's him.
Well, yeah.
I didn't know him shed.
He's got a shed on its own.
Mom,
Hmm?
I got one on my shoulder.
Yeah.
I got one on my shirt.
How long's it been on there?
A
Not-
while.
Really?
Yeah. Derek threw it like, I don't know how many feet in the air, and it landed and even buzzed, and he sticks it on the fire.
Hey, Mom, look, I got leather.
Yeah.
This one has no tail.
They got, is that bowling Cody or am I seeing things?
Oh, you're seeing me.
Here, Blake.
Record that too.
Hello.
Oh, well, how do you zoom in on the sucker?
I don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Yeah.
You just pushed the right button.
That really tickles.
Right arrow.
Oh,
You're
shoot.
with them walking on your arm and your thing's been on there forever.
What?
How many times do you want to zoom in?
No, it's fine, no.
He says, no, I like the back.
Where's it going?
Away from my finger.
Oh, boy.
All over my back, and it tickles.
Oh, my hair's in the way. I can't see.
Get him on a leaf.
Hold in my hand.
That one's gonna be a good one.
Mm-hmm. Nice butt, Derek.
I'd back up, dude. Nice hot soda to go all over you. Kind of sucks.
My family have united. Well, one part. I want to see him. Ah, scaredy butt. Aww.
Yeah.
Derek already poked a hole in the can and sprayed on him.
Yeah, I was going like this, hitting the side of the pan. And it goes.
Ooh. Oh, this one had a tail.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, pretty cutie. Hey, he's Rocky number 2.
These ain't the kind that their tail falls off when you touch them
I
like
know.
them other ones are.
Rocky Balboa.
Come on, Ken, go.
Look, a little willy worm.
Rocky Balboa.
Weird with that.
Tell him he's Rocky Balboa. It's Rocky Balboa.
Egg on the stick.
Oh my gosh. Forever.
I like making things go boom.
I can hear the pop.
Yeah.
I like it when things go boom, boom.
Oh, there it goes.
Did you push play?
Yeah. I hope. Yeah, it's recording.
Fire's freaking hot, too.
Come on, beautiful. Talk to me.
Like, yeah, hey. Like,
Oh, come
hey,
on.
don't grab me there.
It moved. Is that good or bad?
Is it still in the same spot?
Yeah. I just angle a little bit different, that's all.
Bulging.
Bulging? Oh, we have bulging. We have action.
Bulging.
Bulging.
My finger.
Can expanding. Pressure is getting to it. It's building within the inside. And it shall go boom.
And fly. And fly. Fly, 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 flashy, flashy. Uh-oh. One's about to fall. Wait, that's the whole thing.
Yeah, I can't bowl tune.
Yeah.
Oh!
Nice.
It's
And,
gonna be a good one.
and someone farted.
Come on.
Oh! Oh, you pay back. Farted.
I'm farting, now y'all gonna die.
Yeah, he's got rotten eggs.
Ooh, I might run to the house. Eat some eggs.
Dude, maybe I should eat some eggs, man. Go out of the room in a
Oh,
heartbeat. Come on, baby, boom! Derek, is that can broken?
No.
You guys got it on the wrong side of the fire or something.
Oh.
Oh, there it goes.
Yeah, butt end of it.
Look at that, there we go, there we go. Now it's talking
Now
to
it's
us.
about the fire. You might set fire.
That was gonna be like, boom! That's, whoa.
It's a grenade launcher. Ah! It's a grenade launcher gonna hit the ground.
God, look at that sucker.
It's humongous. There, I can see your head.
Do not try this at home.
This is at home.
No, this is in the backyard, there's a difference.
Area.
Freaking pop cans through the chimney, that'd be awesome.
Hey, Mom, is this your yard?
How many minutes we got left on it?
Like 3.
Okay.
Come on.
Like, I would go up there and blow on it, but it's like, yeah, I'm not going to.
Hey, go ahead and put your face next to that thing.
Yeah. Boom! Oh, whoops.
What the heck? I moved to the
How many minutes now? What's the different part?
Well, now all the heat's going towards it.
Mm-hmm.
We need more fire. Spray the can with gasoline. Boom!
But then when you threw it in the air, did it, like, dent it?
Yeah.
That might be why.
Carrot. How many minutes now?
A minute or so. Almost 2 minutes left.
It's like watching paint dry.
Yeah, I'm kidding. It's like any time now. Any time now. Any time now. Hey Derek, see there's fire under it. Derek's like,
Are you nuts?
are you nuts?
I'd rather just get that can and go all over it and be like, boom, bang!
Yeah, there's an idea. Derek, pee on it.
My tea's not flammable.
Oh!
Oh my god.
No!
Okay, how do we push stop on this? How do we push stop on this?
That was the best.